Okay, so when you have a block on your site, in this case, I'm in my website,
Hmm.
um, and I want to get uh, all you have to do is copy the block as long as you know you have it correct. Okay, so since I have the video ready to go, and
Hmm.
I'm logged into my site,
Hmm.
I go to the page, savings and benefits, and this is the video we want to use. So what I'm going to do is edit the page, and then I'll go down to where that video is. And all I have to do is click on it right here, and then the three dots, and click on copy
Hmm.
right here. All right. So now we go back to your page right here,
Hmm.
and it's you don't have to worry if you have the right block because um, we copied it from a word. In other words, if you what I did is I got it on my one page, and I can show you where it is on the Google Drive in just a second. Anyway, bottom line, I hit enter and I do Control V. All right. And here it
Hmm.
is. So you need to be the Vimeo and it's an embed block, but you didn't really need to worry about that because you copied it from an existing one that was already correct. You know what I'm saying? So
Okay.
if you come to one of your other pages, now this video is on your page. All right. So now this is where the old video was. And if you're curious if that's it, you just look and yep, that's the one I want to get rid of. So I do this and I do this, delete. No, wait. Add pattern. No, cancel that. I can't see what I'm looking at here. This one, delete. All right. So now we're going to go ahead and save this. Um, so let's do this. I have a blank that I use in Google Drive. Wait a minute. What is this? No, I don't want Gemini. Oh, did I click Gemini? Um, so I go to my Google Drive and it's just a blank document. And I'm going to show you why I use this. Go ahead and go to my drive. And we're going to come down here to blank. So it's just nothing on here. Now I'm going to close. Let's see. This is my drive. This is my page. I'll put this over here on the right. And then I'll put this over here next to your page. So this is your page, 1N94. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the code. So I'll click here in code editor and do this. I'll show you why I'm doing this. Control A, Control C, and I go to my blank page right here. And then I'll do right click paste without formatting because we just want the text and nothing else. But that it would normally come good if you did just paste. At any rate, now we have this. Okay, so now what we want to do is look in here for your old code. Okay, so um, good thing I left mine open. So let me do this. So what I want to do here is get my link. All right.
Hmm.
And the reason I'm going to do that is so I can modify it to make it yours. All right. So I just copy that link right there.
Hmm.
Now that's off of my page. So I'll just use a oh shit, I didn't want to do that. What did I do? Oh, brother. Anyway, control. No, I don't want it. No. What did I just click on? This thing. Okay. Now I'm going to do this right here. Control V. And then it's 11120, was it?
21.
21.
I can only remember two numbers, so 11121. Two numbers.
Yeah, that's how I do it too. I don't, I'll remember 111 and 21 easier than I'll remember 1121. You know what I mean? You
I
got
hear you.
111 and 21. It's two numbers. Anyway, so now this is your link. So what we're going to do is just double check, control home. No, I mean shift home, and then copy, control C. And we'll just double check and by pasting it into a fresh browser and make sure this is the link. And so Fund Saver Network.
Yep.
And yep, Michael Stubbins. So that we got that taken care of. So we know that's good. Now, what I want to do is show you how to fix this using this blank document.
Okay.
Okay. So what you do is you got to find the original link.
Hmm.
Oh, I'll come to it. Just kind of got to scan the code. Enroll with this link right here. So this is the link right here.
Gotcha.
That's what we want to change, all of that. I mean, I could leave the .com but whatever. That's the way I have it already set up, so I'm just going to replace it. All right, so now you copy this, Control C, and now I want to do Control F for find, right? And I'm going to paste that in there. Control V, and now I have that pasted in my find, but I need to replace it. So you click the three dots. So this is on Google Docs. You have this feature. I don't know if you know how to use it, but we're learning right now. Right here where it says replace with. Okay, so if you remember, I copied it in between the two quotation marks there. So, when you're doing this, you got to be careful because the quotation marks are part of the code. So all we want to do is replace this link. Wow, this is still Briel's link. Interesting. You never put your link on here from Savings Highway. All right, so let's see what happens here. This is the link that we want to put on here. Control C, and then we copy that and put that in there. Control V, and now we're going to replace all. Okay, so
Gotcha.
replace all. Now, when we close this down, you see it. So
Yeah,
there's
it's
another one here, Mike 13. So all I have to do on this one now, in case there was another link on your page that you missed, we
right.
just took care of it. You know what I'm saying? It was probably an
Right.
image. Oh, and just so happened that I was lucky to find it. At any rate, and that's why I want to, check your links. Okay, so now, but it's simple to do. Watch, I just do Control F and paste over that. Control V, and then I am going to see it jump down here. This is where we're seeing it, Mike 13. You have 12 of them on here. So I think
Uh-huh.
it didn't give me one of anything. So it must have been only that one link on there. At any rate, this is what now we just need to click the three dots and look, our link stayed there. So we're all good. Now we're going to replace all those with this by doing this, replace all. Now we're ready to put it back onto your web page, right?
Gotcha.
So it's very simple. I wanted to show you how to do this so that you can use this in the future. Control A, Control C, and then we go to your edit page. And I usually backspace because I like to see it paste on there. Control V, and now we're going to take it out of Code Editor, and we're going to save it. Then we're going to view it. And we already know that the link is good because we already checked it once, but we'll click on it anyway just for giggles and see if it opens in a new tab. It did, and it's Mike Steffens. Good to go. So your savings has the right links all on it. No more Savings Highway at all.
Good. Good.
And so now what I wanted to show you, Mike, is let's figure out where all of the links are. All right. So here's what I did to find that. I went to my website and I didn't type in anything other than this. Let me show you. Savings, Savings. Well, see, it's there already in my cache because I used this computer, I guess. So you see, I
Right.
did it because that's what their link looks like.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So we want to find all instances of this link on this website. So when I
Okay.
click on your search right here and let it work for a minute, then
Right.
it gives it to me. So all things pets. This is what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna drag this out of here. Sorry.
You been drinking?
No, I don't drink, but I need to have a hiccup. Okay, here we go. Now, I'll do this. Uh, this is the search in this address bar right here. See,
Right,
question mark equals Savings Highway Global. So I want the permalinks for each one of these pages that needs to be taken care of by you.
right.
Okay, so I'm going to open this in a new tab. Now I have the link that actually goes to your page that you can work on. So I'm going to
Okay.
create an email, Control C, and I'm going to put all of these on there that I came up with this search. Here, we don't need this anymore. So I just need to go to my other browser that I have my email on. Which one am I looking at? This one. Um, email is here. And compose. And it's TMAC, isn't it? TMAC
2021 T-Mac.
2021.
Yep,
There we
there I
go.
am.
All right. So now, all right, so I just paste this on here, and right now it won't be a link, but that's okay, because
Uh-huh.
when I send it, it'll turn them all to links, and all you have
Right.
to do is open it, click on it, and start modifying. You don't have to wonder because we already found them, so we might as well just use the information that I have here. So that's kind of what I had in mind, and that's why I'm doing this.
Okay.
And I'm not saying we're not going to do something else, but look, we don't have a long list of things to take care of.
Right.
You know what weird thing about this is there's a Savings Highway Global link on this page, but this is a category page. Oh, look, I only came up with this one thing. Pets and their needs. This is weird. All things pets and their needs. That one goes to, oh, this is where you have a link in your category page. So a link to the external to the Savings Highway. That's why it's pulling this up. These pages are supposed to be going to like fart odor, which should be going to your oops page. Pretty sure we put an oops page for you. I don't know if you fixed this or not. Or you can just eliminate the page altogether,
I'll
open
probably
it,
just eliminate it.
open in a new tab. Um, yeah, this is long gone. This link is no more. All right,
Okay.
so yeah. You got to get rid of these dead links. All right. So anyway, bottom line is, doesn't look like you had a lot of pages except for the Savings Highway Global, and there's not supposed to be a link on your an external link on your category page anyway. So
Okay.
that was all things pets and their needs. So here's what I wanted to show you. It's kind of what I've been doing is going to his site and 1F and looking at pets and their needs. So remember, we had two category pages, pets and their needs right here.
Hmm.
This is one of 16. And so online vet and pet health plans. So this is still left over uh, from when we had Savings Highway
Great.
Global. Yeah, so if I click on this, yeah, see, he changed his links and this is what I did with this page. So online vet is one of the pages he has.
Right.
Um, anyway, eliminate fart because you're going to need something to put on your category, you know. So if
Right.
you look over here and you see okay, he has online vet. I don't know if I want to use that one, but he also has or you can look at mine. I think mine, let's see, 2V. No, I don't need admin. Okay, so anyway, uh, I can just do this and then go down to FSN. Man, this nice to have this uh, internet that's working correctly. See, we're on a
Yeah.
Zoom call, and I mean it's working, and my pages are loading quickly and everything.
You're
So
living
I
the
have
dream.
I'm living the dream. Oh, it was so frustrating, Mike. I didn't want to look at the thing. I can't handle it. So I have one here for the tune. You can refer to your tune page. You won't have to add a page, but you can add a link that says, EMFs are affecting our lives and our pets' lives as well. So, you can use that as one of your category page, one of your pages for your. I have Pet RX. That's left over from uh, Savings Highway Global, and I don't think I really modified it other than going here because I spent time writing all this, and I'm not sure they actually have this or not. Oh no, look, I'm sending them back to my savings and benefits program page. So, do I have any external links? Yeah, here's an external link. Here's going to the Fund Saver Network. Um, so that first paragraph, of course, this is me.
Right.
Yeah. So that first paragraph there must be talking about accessing for whatever. I don't know. I don't feel like reading it right now. I didn't rewrite this. All I did on this page was change the links. That's it.
Gotcha.
So I haven't rewritten this one. But the savings and highway, the savings and benefits page, I did rewrite because it had all that gold, platinum, and titanium stuff on there, and I needed to get rid of that. Rory, I
Okay.
think, still has it on his. Um, I think. I'm curious. Let's take a look. Let's see. This is savings. If it doesn't have any other pages, it'll default to that. You don't, as long as you have the first word. Okay, so savings benefits. No, it looks like he took that off. Yeah, he took off that gold, platinum, titanium stuff. So did I. So you can take
Gotcha.
a look at what I did and take a look at what he did and decide if between the two you can combine the two and come up with something. You know what I'm saying? You know how to do it. At
Right.
any rate, I did. Yeah, I'm gonna go back over here and get back on Zoom. Hey, you didn't ask about my chickens today. What happened?
I was just waiting. I see you got a couple of feathers behind your head there. It's like,
I do.
no.
Oh. Anyway,
Yeah.
yeah. Let me see. What am I doing here? I'm trying to get on this screen. Oh, it's this thing here.
Right.
Uh, gotta do this.
So basically, what I'm gonna do is gonna clean up that